Want a modern checking account that rewards your habits? Here's how to open a Fifth Third Momentum checking account in 2026. Fast and simple. Eligibility is straightforward. You must be 18 or older, a U.S. resident, and have a valid ID and social security number. Have these ready: government ID, social security number, address proof, and a funding source like a debit card or bank transfer. Momentum Checking offers fee waivers with qualifying activity, mobile banking, early direct deposit, and debit card controls. Monthly maintenance fees can be avoided by meeting simple requirements. Watch for out-of-network ATM and overdraft fees. Ready? Let's walk through the online sign-up using the Fifth Third website or mobile app. Open the app or visit fifththird.com and tap Open an Account. Select Momentum Checking, enter name, date of birth, social security number, and contact info. Upload your ID photo and proof of address, then complete identity verification. This usually takes minutes. Fund your new account via debit card or transfer. A small initial deposit completes setup. Activate account features, set up mobile deposits, alerts, and link external accounts for transfers. Tip: enroll in direct deposit and set qualifying transactions to avoid fees. Ready to open your Momentum checking account now?